And Group 4, here are your spelling words for your test. Your first word is magic. The Harry Potter books are all about magic. Magic. The next word is magician. There was a magician at my friend's birthday party. Magician. Your next word is adopt. We think we're going to adopt a new dog. Adopt. The next word is adoption. When looking for a new dog, we went to the adoption center. Adoption. Your next word is suggest. May I suggest you try a different addition strategy? Suggest. Your next word is suggestion. My mom made a suggestion about what to buy my brother for his birthday. Suggestion. Next word is clinic. I had a doctor's appointment, so I went to the clinic. Clinic. The next word is clinician. When I went to the clinic, I saw a clinician for my appointment. Clinician. Your last word is a surprise word. Your surprise word for this week is solution. What is the solution to your problem? Solution.